Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Charles FS right here. Today's video is going to be about how I made 8% on the Myforexfunds challenge account that I'm currently trading, the 5k challenge account that I'm currently trading. So before I continue, first of all, I want to apologize for not being able to produce video for the past 1 month, and I'll be busy with some other things. And secondly, I want to say a very big thank you to all those that have been subscribing to my YouTube channel that have been helping the channel grow. So if this is your first time of seeing my channel, please be sure to subscribe and to turn on notifications so you'll be notified when I create a new video. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, guys, and I will be sure to respond to you. So guys, this video is going to be about how I made 8% on the Myforexfunds account that I'm trading, where I was previously down 2%, and I made instantly 8%, which now took me to a plus 6% on the account. And this is the account, guys. So this is the Myforexfunds account. I'm currently trading, sitting at 6%. Let's just go down. You see it's active, and the days that are remaining is I only have 10 days left, and this is the 6%. This is the 6% that is currently in, and these were the trade. These are the two trades that I took on the Great Britain pounds pair. Let me just quickly load it so that you guys be sure that it's really a live account. This is my account. This is my account. This is my account. So guys, currently I have 10 days left, and as you can see, the account is sitting on a plus 6%. My win rate is at least 39.13%, and I think there are more reasons to it why it's like this. I think basically what I've learned from trading this pro firm is that you have to really be disciplined to make your strategy work, because you can have a good strategy, but with you not being disciplined and not be patient, you're going to mess it up, and that's going to make you keep going around the circles and thinking probably you need a better strategy. But if you can just sit with your strategy and make it work and be disciplined about it, you will definitely be profitable. So what have happened is that for the past 20 days I've been up and down in the account. At the point I went up, let's just go to the analysis. Okay guys, this is the daily analysis. Oh shit, what did I just do? Okay. Okay, this is the daily analysis table, and as you can see, ever since I started, I've been moving up. I've been up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So at the point I was up 5%, went back down to minus 2%, and now I'm back to 6%. So for what I've seen all this time, although I've been busy, but I think at a point, discipline and patience also, lack of discipline and patience also affected the growth of the account, because not that I wasn't getting good trade, I was either cutting it short, or I wasn't patient enough to just let the setup be perfectly complete before I take the trade. So guys, I think if you don't have discipline, if you don't have patience, you're going to mess up your strategy. Let's go to the chart. Let me show you guys how I took this trade. So quickly, doing a top down analysis, what GG have been on I've been on an uptrend, although not that perfect, but it has been going up consistently for the past year now. Yeah, since 2020 GG has been going up. Since 2020 GG has been on an uptrend. So on the daily time frame, what I saw and what I did was that this market broke my counter trade line, and I went down to my setup time frame, which is the 2 hours time frame. I like taking my setup from the 2 hours and from the 4 hours time frame, and my entry mostly on the 30 minutes and on the 1 hour time frame. So because I'm doing other things, so I can really have time to concentrate on repair. And it gives me time. What it helps me to do is that it gives me time to make decisions, not just making decision on a go. Before the 2 hours candle will close, you know that you have enough time to decide if you're going to buy, if you're going to sell. So guys, this is it. Last week what I saw was that the market had pushed up, coming back to retest this resistance that is broke out from, which is now support. So I was anticipating and expecting to continue. If you take your fib and plot it, this is the 50% of the retracement so it lines up very well, and it was something I was prepared to take much risk in. So coming down to this support, I drew my counter trade line, my first counter trade line where I took the first trade, right here, and the market took me out. I took the first trade and the market took me out, came down, took me out. But on rejecting it, and when I saw that the momentum has also shifted back to the upside, if you look at how the 1 hour closed, what I did was that I drew my counter trade line again, my second counter trade line, and took my first entry here on this first retracement. And at the clear break of this minor resistance that is here, I took my second entry and moved my first one to break even, allow it to run, guys. So my target was this resistance that was here. So guys, my target was this resistance here. So well, as you can see, the market came and smashed it. So guys, my strategy is pretty simple. It's basically break and retest on the higher time frame. The way I take it, I wait for the counter trade line break to take my entry, and try as much as possible to identify key momentum shift candles before I take my entry. So the other trade I also took was AUD USD, where I lost 0.5%. It's about $28-25 thereabouts. This was the trade. The market did a head and shoulder pattern and broke below the neck, and this is on the 2 hours time frame also, and came down to my 30 minutes at the break of the neckline. I took my entry right here. My stop was just above here, and the market came up, spiked me out, and continued down. Although I've passed the challenge now, but nevertheless, what has happened has happened. So I'm going to wait for another setup. And see probably tomorrow, and see how the market plays out. So guys, this is it on the trade, and the week is just starting, guys. So we can have some pretty nice movement this week. So guys, this is it on the video. I hope you were able to learn something. So before I go, this is the yen, the JPY pair, which is the yen basket index, which I also use alongside with the pounds USD, pounds JPY pair. This gives me the strength and the weakness of the JPY pair. So what you can see here is that the market also broke a trend line and anticipating it to move down. So guys, the yen basket index can really help you if you can understand it, on knowing when to take the trade or when to just wait for the yen to be either weak or strong. So you wait for your setup to be complete before you take the trade. So after my setup is complete, before I take the trade, I come also to the yen pair to see what the yen is also doing, if it's making patterns to move in the direction that I want to buy or I want to sell. So guys, that's it on this video. I hope you learned something, and for me, I hope you learned something, and for me, basically support and resistance is enough for you to make money on the forex market. learning how to trade support, resistance, demand, supply is all the same thing, guys. I see a lot of people that trade support and resistance, people like Raja Banks, Limboro, and quite a number of them. Break and retest is simply support and resistance also. So if you can make your support and resistance strategy very simple, or something you can easily understand, something you can relate it anytime, any day, I think you have a good strategy. And if you can then be disciplined and be patient to wait for your setup, I think you'll be profitable. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video is useful. So see you guys in the next video.